If I am wrong, correct me. If I am lost, guide me. If I start to give up, keep me going. I don't respect those who don't respect me. You call it ego, I call it self respect. If you have been hurt many times and you still know how to smile, trust me, you are strong. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. One good book is equal to 100 friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. Never avoid a person who loves you truly because nowadays it's hard to find a true love. You can't force yourself to stop liking someone, but you can tell yourself that you deserve better, so try to move on. My love is simple. When I miss you, I pray for you. A clear rejection is always better than fake promise. Life is such a great teacher that when you don't learn a lesson, it will respect it. Dear God, I may not understand why everything is happening in my life right now, but I just want to say I trust you. If a person replies with "I'm or okay," they are busy in chatting with someone else and they don't have interest in talking with you. Never tell your feelings to anyone. Nobody truly cares. Please don't misunderstand. I did not mean it like that. I don't really care anymore. Tired of explaining myself.